Now that you have your foundation scope mounted, we're going to get your zeroed and your zero stop set using your supplied toolkit. We're going to take you remove the center screw on top of your E-rec knob. There is an O-ring that sits in there that provides a waterproof seal, so make sure you keep track of that. We're going to shoot a 3-round group on paper, and from there we're going to adjust our zero until our point of aim and our point of impact match. Going hot. Now that you shot a 3-round group to establish your zero, you're going to use the supplied 1/8 Allen key to adjust your elevation. And the easiest way I find to do this is by maintaining pilot control of your rifle, and while holding your reticle at your point of aim, you turn the center screw either clockwise or counterclockwise to move your point of aim until it coincides with your point of impact. So I'm going to hold my rifle on target at my point of aim. I'm going to adjust my center screw until my elevation matches my point of impact. Okay. And now I'm going to adjust my windage. Come middle, left. Okay. And now my point of aim and point of impact are lined up. I'm going to confirm my zero. We're taking our shot, going hot. Okay, I need to come in there a 1/10 left. Make adjustment. And on the elevation, I need to come up a click. So you can do fine adjustments by adjusting your elevation knob with actually the tactile clicks of your E-rec knob, or you can make coarse adjustments with your center screw. Take one more shot. Nice. I'm happy with that zero, and now I'm going to float my knob to zero and set my zero stop. You're going to use the supplied 5/64 Allen key to loosen the flathead cap screws on top. There is a small O-ring underneath it. Make sure you maintain control of those to ensure your scope stays waterproof. You have a zero stop. You're going to take that and you're going to put it on top of the knob. You're going to turn it until it engages with the zero stop ring. It comes with 3 256 set screws in there that you can tighten down with the 35 thou Allen key that's supplied in the toolkit. We installed those for extra security, but totally not necessary. Just the pressure of tightening the cap will hold it in place for most extreme duty uses, but for an extra sense of security, you can set those. So I'm just gonna take it until the stop engages. I'm gonna take my E-rec knob cap and put it back on. I'm gonna turn it clockwise until the zero lines up with the indicating ring on the spool. I'm gonna tighten down set screws on top. Tighten those to roughly 5 inch-pounds just so they're snug. And now my zero stop is set and my knob is zeroed. Have a nice tactile stop. I'm going to reinsert the silver cap screw on top. Make sure you have that O-ring in there. Snug that down. Again, 5 inch-pounds is more than enough. For your windage knob, you're going to use the same 5/64 Allen key to loosen that cap screw. once you loosen it, the knob will disengage, and you can turn your knob so the zero lines up with the indicator ring. Tighten that down, 5 inch-pounds. Put back on your turret cap, and now your scope is properly mounted, zeroed, and zero stop set, and you're ready for the range.